Since February 15, 2023, our system ranks Apple as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.486. The stock has performed way worse than our algorithms expected, with a loss -5.55% in the period. This is an average return of -0.79% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Apple, our last headline reads, Apple stock price down 1.8% on Friday. The Apple stock price fell by -1.80% on the last day, Friday, February 24, 2023, from $149.40 to $146.71. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.01% from a day low at $145.72 to a day high of $147.19. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a -2.76% loss for the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 7 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning, and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 55 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $8.10 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $179.61, and the lowest price was $124.17. Right now the price is 18.32%, or $32.90, below 52-week high, and 35.73%, or $81.55, below all-time high August 30, 2018, where the price hit $228.26. The stock lies in the middle of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 8.51% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -2.47% and 15.78%. The 12-month trend indicates a -12.51% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -27.24% and -7.68%. This equals a price between $106.75 and $135.44 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Monday, February 6, 2023, Evercore ISI Group set price target to 190. On Friday, February 3, 2023, Piper Sandler set price target to 195. On Friday, February 3, 2023, Needham set price target to 170. On Friday, February 3, 2023, Barclays set price target to 145. On Friday, February 3, 2023, Raymond James set price target to 170. From analysts, Apple stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Apple. The Apple stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $150.73. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $143.92. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, February 15, 2023, and so far it has fallen -5.55%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning, and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 25 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 16 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Apple. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $136.50 and $134.51. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Apple finds support just below today's level at $136.50. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $134.51 and $125.07. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $1.47 between high and low, or 1.01%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 1.68%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Apple. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Apple currently has a price-earning ratio of 23.88. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Apple meets first resistance at $148.03. If you do not hold Apple shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Apple finds first level of support at $136.50, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Apple is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On February 3, 2023, Levinson Arthur D. made an inside sell of 1,685 of common stock. On February 1, 2023, Wagner Susan made an inside sell of 1,685 of restricted stock unit. On February 1, 2023, Wagner Susan made an inside buy of 1,685 of common stock. On February 1, 2023, Lozano Monica C. made an inside sell of 1,685 of restricted stock unit. On February 1, 2023, Lozano Monica C. made an inside buy of 1,685 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -22.726. In total, the insiders bought 2,115,716 and sold 3,550,807 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $139.59, minus 4.85%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 6 days ago. Is Apple stock a buy? Apple holds several negative signals, and this should be a sell candidate, but due to the general chance for a turnaround situation, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 27th, we expect Apple to open down $0.170 and start trading at $146.54. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to